Hello guys, if you're looking for more information about Sonus Complete, stay with me until the very end of this video. My name is Natasha, and I'm here to tell you all the truth about this supplement. Alright, so if you want to know everything about it, stay with me until the very end. But if you watch this video until the end, and you think you need more information about it, I'll have the link for the official website just below in the description of this video, where you can find all the complete information about this supplement. But remember guys, to stay with me because I have some really important warnings and alerts to share with you about Sonus Complete that you must know before actually purchasing it, right? So Sonus Complete is a supplement that is 100% natural. Let's begin with this information, all right? That's one of the most important ones. That means it has no chemical composition in its formula, only natural ingredients like vitamins, nutrients, proteins, only organic ingredients, all right? That will work on the root cause of your tinnitus. If you suffer from any kind of ear tinnitus, if you don't like having this little sound in your ear that bothers you, then I'm pretty sure it really bothers people. This is the supplement for you, all right? It will help you with the sound in your ear by reducing the clear nerve inflammation. And at the same time, it will improve your brain cells. It will be helping your brain cells, all right? So, it will work on your head, top health, all right? It will work on your ear with a tinnitus problem. You won't have it anymore. And plus, it will be working in your brain too, so you will feel rejuvenated. And summarizing it for you guys, it will be very rejuvenating for your whole brain, your whole hearing, all right? All you have to do is take it every single day in order to obtain these results. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimal treatment is of 3 months and the complete treatment is of 6 months. But of course, you can take it lifelong because it won't bring any harm to you, as it is 100% natural. It has no side effects or contradictions. Anyone can take it, and all you have to do is take 2 capsules a day with a lot of water. All right? Water is really important in these natural treatments because it can really help the Sonus Complete to work faster in your organism. All right? And if you're still scared of buying it, if you think it may not work for you, and then you will lose your money, I'm here to tell you that it has an extended guarantee of 60 days. So you can actually test it for 2 months. And if you don't see any results like at all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So guys, you have nothing to lose here. Seriously, you have to give it a try. But I have an alert to share with you before you purchase it, guys. You can only buy the original Sonus Complete on their official website. That means it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that. You have the link to the official website just below in the description of this video, and that is the only link you can buy your original Sonus Complete from. So keep that in mind so you won't lose your money, okay? And this word of information I wanted to share with you about Sonus Complete. I hope I have helped you. And remember, you can find all the complete information, people's testimonials about it, complete ingredients, and buy the original Sonus Complete on their official website. The link is just below in the description of my video.